1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong code. 2, 0, 2, 4. Welcome.
So let's just see the wiring first. So here like pin 2 we have not used because it's connected to LED, so I'm just avoiding it. The keypad matrix rows I have connected to pin 4, 5, 18 and 19, and as we have seen in the previous video, like our servo is connected on pin 23. So pin 27, 26 and 25 I have connected the columns of the membrane keypad. So this is the wire for the membrane keypad and it is going from underneath it. Actually I did a mistake of making it short, so this column is coming here, so I couldn't cut a slot here. So anyway, it is coming from below and going into this circuit board. So you can see our previous video which talks about this board and the servo connections and all those things in more detail. So this is our a ready-made wooden art and craft door which I have stick using a carpenter tape, and this is just a paper clip which I have banded, and I have connected two different servo horns together to make it a long servo arm. And this is the slot I have created for the servo. So this is our main controller board which controls everything. So now let's just see how we can code this in CodeSkool. So first thing you need is sensor kit extension. You can do it with Arduino extension also, but this is our latest extension and this is much simpler, so I'll use this. To use this extension you need CodeSkool subscription. The other extension I'll need is utils, and I need a text to speech also. So as usual, when this flag is clicked, first of all I'll set the voice to English. Then I need to initialize the keypad, and then I have to start reading from the keypad also. And because I have already explained, this is a Bluetooth connection, so I'll put some delay. Let's just put 2 seconds. It doesn't matter, even 0.25 is okay. And as we have discussed, the pins for the rows are 4, 5, 18 and 19. So I'll put that 4, 5, 18 and 19. And for the column, the pins are 27, 26 and 25. So this is our code, main code for initializing. Now I have to write a code for when the keypad is pressed. So as usual, I would require a lot of if and else conditions, so I'll just drag it few here. And I have to create a variable also. So let me create a variable for storing the current code. And then I have to get the key also, which I need to check. So for that I need equal operator. So if keypad is hash, we'll check the code and do the processing. Otherwise, we'll check if the key code is star, then we'll clear all the previous code. Otherwise we'll just append it. Maybe I don't need this. Now first let me create the code for like clearing the code. So I'll just use this empty to denote like that this is not a blank, this is basically empty string. I cannot put 0, otherwise it will consider that as a 0. So I'll use this code to be empty string. And then like if the user has pressed some numeric code, so I have to like speak that numeric code, and then I have to append that code, the key to the code. For that I have to use the join. And I'll join the code. So let's say the code is like 20 and then the new key is like 2, so the new code will become 202. So similarly, like the code is 202 and the new key is like 4, so the code will become 2024. Now if the hash key is pressed, I have to clear the code, so I'll just use this sentence again. And then I have to check if the code is like 2024. So I have to check if the code is like 2024. I have to like say welcome. Otherwise I have to say like wrong code. And I have to control the servo. And our servo is on pin 23. So when the door is open, like the angle is 180 degree. Otherwise, like when it's closed, the angle is like 0 degree. So we don't need this here, we just need it here. And like from opening and closing, I'll just put some delay. So I'll put a 5-second delay. So this is our code. Like when the key press is pressed, like currently the code would be like empty. So then the code would be empty, and like when the new key is pressed, like let's say 2, so the code will come here and it would append it to, so the code is empty and the keypad key is 2, so the new code will become 2. Then again, like when the new key is pressed, like let's say 0, it will become 2 and 0, 20. Again, like new key is pressed, like it will become 202. Again, when this new key is pressed, like 4, so it become 202 and 4. So the new code will become 2024. And when the hash key is pressed, like it will check, like if it is code is 2024, it welcomes. Turn the servo to 180 degrees, wait for 5 seconds, set the angle again to 0, like close the door. And if a wrong code is entered, it will just say wrong code, and after that it will simply clear the previous code. Similarly, if the key is like star, it just clears the previous code. So to connect, like I have to click this, select the sensor kit, click pair button, and I have to just wait for like few seconds. It will automatically get connected, and I'll just say go to editor. Now I have to just run this. So the current code is like nothing, blank. So let me just press like 1.
1,
Then I'll press 2.
2,
Then I'll press 3.
3,
Then I'll press 4.
4.
And I'll press the hash.
Wrong code.
Now let me press the correct code.
2, 0, 2, 4.
Now I'll press the hash, and like the servo, it will come into this statement, and the servo will move to 180 degree and wait for 5 seconds and then move to again 0 degree position.
Welcome.
And it will clear the code, and this function block is exited. It is complete. So as you can see, like how easy it is to use membrane keypad with CodeSkool. So I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.